how to fix creator accounts can't be made private on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you try to make your account private on Instagram, but you get a message that says creator accounts can't be made private. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to make our account private on Instagram, we need to have a personal account. So if you're seeing this little pop up right here, that means you have a professional or a creator account on Instagram. And it's really easy to switch it back to personal. So then we can make our account private. So to get started, go back to your Instagram profile, select the three lines in the top right to open the menu, and then select settings and privacy. Once we're in settings, and privacy, scroll down just a little bit and you'll see for professionals, select creator tools and controls. Now scroll all the way down and you'll see switch account type. Select that and then select switch to personal account. They're going to warn us that some of our insights on our content or promotions we're running on Instagram will be removed. And if we have a Meta verified subscription, that'll be cancelled as well. So if you're okay with that, select switch to personal account, give it a second or two, and it'll bring you back to the main page of the Instagram settings. Then from the settings right here, scroll down until we get to who can see your content and select account privacy. And now we can turn on private account and then select switch to private. And then now our account on Instagram is private. All right. So that's how you fix creator accounts can't be private on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing, subbing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.